So let's draw a very cute dog. Actually, dogs are very easy to draw. Actually, I'm painting with pleasure. So dogs have tails. I'm starting with the tail, and they have legs. So coming from legs, and they have some legs like that. They have cute paws and goes like this. The best part of the drawing is belly. Belly is kinda cute, makes them cute. And they have another leg at the back. Just make them parallel. Kinda works. Yes. And if you come right like this will be his head and nose, because their head looks like that. Actually, we can do a borzoi dog and make it even longer. Now come like that, come lower, and the front leg, the front paw, and yeah, it's kinda looks cursed, but works. There are lots of type of dogs in the world. Now his ears are the best part. Now make it look down, and his nose. Yeah, cute. And his tongue. Because today is very hot day. Thank you.